Namaste. This poem, Amanda, is about the upbringing of a small child whose name was Amanda. It focuses on the struggle that a child is facing. Poet Robin Klein makes the important point that children should never be deprived of their freedom. While it is important for the parents to teach their children what is right and wrong and instill good manners in them, they also need to be sensitive towards the wishes of the child. The poem is about a little girl, Amanda, who is constantly pointed out by her mother for making mistakes. Robin Klein has beautifully expressed the girl's feelings in the poem about how she is controlled and instructed by her mother for even small things. They should not feel that every small thing that children do, their parents constantly should nag them. It is the responsibility of the parents to bring up their children in such a way that they understand their viewpoint instead of getting frustrated. Children should not feel that an orphan has more freedom than them. In the poem Amanda, the poet describes the angst of a child who feels that she or he is controlled and instructed not to do one thing or the other, and believes that her freedom is curtailed. The poem makes us reflect on what freedom means to us. Having freedom does not mean that there is no check on one's behaviors or moral policing. This control over one's behavior should come from within oneself. We have to be responsible and accountable for our actions, and our actions can impact others. Freedom does not mean that we can abuse or dismiss others' rights. We cannot and should not disregard others' privilege. We need to think about the rights and respect the feelings of others around us when living and expressing our freedom. Thus, freedom is to guarantee regard and not merely live free. How is this connected with openness? Had the parents been a little open to the feelings of Amanda, many of her struggles could have been avoided. While it is acceptable to make corrections in the behavior of children, it is equally important that the ability to adapt and adopt the behavior always has to come from the students. Amanda gives you a necessary input to framing our behavior in a proper manner where there is a tremendous opportunity to change ourselves. Come on in and try these answers.